Hi friends, this is Pallavi Mohan and today we'll be talking about Industry 4.0. Well, Industry 1 was all about steam engine and water power. Industry 2 was mass production of electricity and more. Industry 3 was technical, IT and part of automation. Industry 4 is all about a huge IT development, huge automation, and a lot more like robotics, AI, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, M2M, which is machine to machine learning, and a lot more related. It is an advancement of technology so that whether we are at home, then we want home automation. It's a smart office when we are in the offices, and whenever there are factories, it is all automated. Everything works on automation. Even the software as a service, the SaaS system, are more advanced format. Now, the normal students which are there with a normal degree like a medical degree or engineering degree or a bachelor's in some particular program will not be enough. One has to form a particular category or have to take education in the industry 4.0 to be more successful. In India, definitely it's a win for the industry. Why? Because a huge population is required to set the industry 4.0, be it electricians, be it masons, be it any department. A huge population is required. So if we use our population correctly, definitely we will have a success in industry 4.0. Just taking a telecom example, which is basically putting powers together, monopoles, GBM, ground based monopole, and small cells. You will require a huge population to set up the technology into an advanced technology stage where there is a huge form of automation, low latency, and that's when India would be a winner in this particular industry. So, all the best. We'll be covering each topic separately as well. But for today, just the introduction to Industry 4.0. Please do subscribe to my channel and definitely, once again, thanks for listening.